What freezes faster, hot water or cold water? Most people would immediately say cold water. It's already closer to freezing, so it should solidify first, right? Well, there's a catch. Under certain conditions, hot water can actually freeze faster than cold water. This strange and counterintuitive phenomenon is known as the Mpemba Effect, and it has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. The effect is named after Erasto Mpemba, a Tanzanian student in the 1960s. While making ice cream in class, he noticed that hot milk sometimes froze faster than cold milk. When he asked the professor about it, the professor laughed at him. But Mpemba's persistence led to experiments that confirmed his observation. Today, the phenomenon carries his name. But Mpemba was not the first to notice this. Records of it go back to Aristotle in ancient Greece. Later, Francis Bacon and Rene also discovered similar observations. Throughout history, people have been baffled by the idea that hot water could ever beat cold water to a freezing point. Let's think about why it's so strange. Imagine two identical beakers, one filled with hot water, one filled with cold. Common sense would say the cold one should freeze first. It has less heat to lose. But in some experiments, the hot one wins. This tells us something unexpected is happening beneath the surface. The first mainstream explanation is convection. Hot water circulates more vigorously, creating currents that distribute heat more evenly. Cold water tends to sit still. This mixing may allow the hot water to cool more efficiently, speeding up the freezing process. Another explanation is supercooling. Cold water can sometimes drop below 0 degrees Celsius without freezing. It stays liquid until crystals suddenly form. Hot water is less likely to supercool. It may form ice crystals more quickly once it reaches the right temperature. The final explanation is dissolved gases. Heating water drives gases out. With fewer gases, the freezing point properties of the water change. This might help explain why hot water occasionally outpaces the cold water. This has been the Perception Project. Stay curious, because understanding perception is the first step towards control. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and be sure to subscribe for more.